Well, today, a Kentucky jury recommended life in prison without the possibility of parole for convicted triple murderer Brice Rhodes. And so we asked you, did the jury get it right? All right, still with us, criminal defense attorney Marsha Minot and trial attorney Mike Jaafar. All right, guys, our first comment comes from Karen. She says, in part, did the jury even need time to deliberate on this one? Bathroom break is all I would have needed if I was a juror. And that's fair enough, Michael. I'll go back to you here. They took, I think, a little under an hour or so to come back with that. Wasn't a surprise there. But I will say this. This was a guy who had some mental health issues, and the judge found, based on a mental health evaluation before trial, that the death penalty was off the table. So I thought that might have played a role in deciding whether they sent him to jail for the rest of his life, but obviously it didn't. I wonder if you thought there's some contradiction there. The idea he's not quite eligible for the death penalty, but still can be sent away for life without the possibility of parole.
I've thought about this case for a long time. This defendant became famous on YouTube for how disrespectful he is to judges. He's threatened judges. He's just a monster, right? And so I was very, very, very shocked when the judge took the death penalty off the table, because if this is not my opinion, if this is not a death penalty case, I don't know what is. There's so many aggravating factors, and he would disrespect the victims of the family members in the courtroom. He'd turn around, he'd mock them. So yeah, I was shocked, but I agree with the text message that you showed. I mean, this guy, he's a monster if I've ever seen one. And something went wrong with this kid growing up. Something went wrong with him. But unfortunately, our correctional facility, our correctional system is used to rehabilitate people with mental health problems. It's not a good thing. That's just the way it is, and people don't know that outside of the legal profession. So yeah, I agree with you, Michael.